What's up, guys? Juggalo23451, and today I have the Evga X58 Sli motherboard. So let's get started. Okay, at the bottom of the motherboard, we have where you put your standard power switch, reset switch, and then down here is where you would put your USB, your firewire connections, and then you'll have your 4 3-pin fan header connections on the motherboard. 1, 2, 3. And then the fourth one's over here. Then you have your reset CMOS, your power switch, and your reset switch on the motherboard itself, which is really nice. Okay, moving up, you have two PCI 1 Express connections. You have your 3 PCI 2.0 connections and your standard PCI connection right here. This is where you plug in your SPDIF right here, and then you get 8 SATA connections right here. Alright, this is where you plug in your power supply, your 24-pin, of course your RAM. This is where you put your RAM in, your north bridge and your south bridge. And then this is where you put your 8-pin power connection right here. This is the MOSFET cooler right here, or passive cooler. It's definitely pretty thick. If I can show you guys the right angle, I'll show you it when I show you the fan or the panel in the back of the motherboard. Okay, then let's get to the back of the motherboard. Has some new features. Alright. You have your standard PS2, or your basically your keyboard, and then you have 2, 4, 6, 8 standard USB connections right here. But if you see the blue, that's another 2, but it's USB 3.0. Better transfer speed and all that great stuff. You get 1 Ethernet connection. And then of course you get your standard high definition connections right here, but you do not get optical out, unfortunately. Alright, now let me see if I can show you the spreader for the MOSFET, and that's what it looks like. It's pretty thick. I'd say about 1.5 inches or so thick. And then I'm just gonna point my camera down so you guys can see the motherboard better, and more or less try to give you a panoramic view so you guys can see it a little bit better. And I hope I'm doing a good job on here. Alright. And I guess that's it. Comment, subscribe. Have any questions? Go ahead and leave it in a comment or shoot me an email via YouTube. And you guys have a great day. Bye.